What's up? Whoa, summer back. Like, wait, it was like autumn the past few weeks. Oh, I don't know for what reason, but now it's back to summer. So excited. It's like now, beginning of August 7. It's finally warm again. Got some random cheesecake for free. And an iced Americano. Special guest.
Oh, good. So good. Cheers.
Good. Cheers. I make an ice matcha. Oat milk. I forgot how good it is. Okay, peace time. Oh, I've been here. No people. We decided to walk, then ride the bus because it's so full of people and hate people. So it's also so hard to ride the bus. We just pop in the van billing. Just kidding. We throw a party. Crazy. We made it to mine. River. Like another in Griesheim. So it's like something else. Being ready. Yeah, baby. On to the other side, over the bridge. Same though. If you're afraid of heights, it's kinda scary.
He's like, no!
Okay, the sea is okay, but then you have to go one way.
No. Brave pitch.
He's also looking down.
No, he's like, nothing.
Oh no, there's another way. There's still. Which my whole body like. Just look down. Okay, over my feet. What an adventure today. Yeah. Ah, okay. One more way? The other side, but not going the same way. So time for ice cream. I've got Pinguine. It's like chocolate and vanilla. I just tried. Oh, something new. So good. And pistachio, my favorite one. So let's try it. Oh, very nice. Good. So good. Okay, I'm on the way home. I'm gonna end this day here. Bye guys, see you. I know I'm not gonna swim tomorrow, but see you next time. How nice to see you. Going to the end to buy some stuffs. My favorite though, Bala Bala. It's so good. Used to eat it when I was a kid. The longer ones, I mean. For later, after swimming, during swimming. Oh, Coca-Cola. They have Cola orange, berry, strawberry, and cherry flavors. stärker können. Genau. Das ist so dick hier, ne? Oh, really? Was sehe ich denn so vor? What the hell? Oh, kalt. Mr. Boss, for just like 1 minute. Now we have to wait. I'm 1 hour. Just kidding. No, it's gonna come. Maybe 10 minutes. Getting in the shadow and shades. Getting in the shades. Finally. Finally, so hot inside. Trying to swim. Finally made it to the Jugendspielbad. Place inside. Really cool. Not too many people. You go? So nice. Gee, wow. And drink on first of all. That's food too, but maybe expensive. What by now? Iced coffee, because why not? Oh. Pizza cookie, which I'm gonna try. Wanna come? Forgot to say without this one. With ice cream. Mix it. Yeah, I mix it first. Here's the ice cream. Is it? Here for the ice cream. And the coffee. The ice cream is yummy. Yeah, the ice cream tastes you like. It's okay. It's so fun. We like more than 2 hours. I think like almost 4 hours exactly how we wanted it. And still wow outside. It's like 29 degrees in German. It's Celsius. Celsius, also know this really. But yeah, so maybe we're gonna roam around. Yeah. And gonna grab some food maybe. Let's see. Yeah. And some other things in Darmstadt. Wiesen Center. Ja. hungry after swimming. We got some french fries and some tacos. Ah, fuck. Hot. 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 Chicken taco. Spicy sauce. So good. I got the chili cheese dog. Okay?
Oh, it's good too. It's like Five Guys.
So crazy, so many people. Yeah? This one. Frankfurt Süd. Cake. Yes, they don't have an earlier one. So, no, it was delayed. And this video here arrived in Frankfurt Süd after 86 years. I waited 86 years. But it's a crazy. Germany is crazy to ride trains sometimes. So many delays, especially in the evening. But yeah, now it's currently 9:30 already. Yeah, 9:19. And Süd is not far from our place, so we still have to ride going home